you go, Joy. That's what I'm talking about.
Pass this one. That taking too long? You want to do it?
I'm taking too long.
Welcome to the Rivers Kitchen, where dinner time is always an adventure. Tonight we're tackling a HelloFresh meal. It's a team effort, as you can probably hear.
I will be coming to help.
Mom ain't cooking no more.
That said, that's what
Dad changed up the whole thing.
He did. That's what I agreed okay. To. See, I'm in here now. What we doing first? This one? Pass this way. I'll be right here.
So you're the head chef?
Tiki said she is. Okay, so we're doing sweet, chewy green bean bowl.
So we have everyone pitching in tonight, which is a must, because let's be honest, it's more fun when you do it together and it's way faster.
What? I'm doing most of the cooking?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
That's right.
Okay, what pot are we using? You gonna get the pot out for me, Tiki? Huh? You gonna help me out?
What?
You gonna get the pot out? Oh my god, I gotta do that too? Dang. This is crazy. Hey, Mom, can you cook, please?
No. You have to learn.
So we have Dad to the rescue, and there's Tiki in the back as head chef, passing out orders.
I don't think you did that right, but whatever. Okay. You need to wash and dry your produce. Just your green beans, really. And then you're gonna take the stems off. Take the leaves off the stems. 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, but when do we time? Cover it. All the way? Yeah. That's taking too long? You want to do it?
Me? I'm taking too long. What I do? I was going at a pretty good speed here.
I think that's the tips. Yeah, just like the little squiggly pieces. Do we have a pan?
Take the leaves off. Pull the leaves off and then chop. Oh, pull the leaves off and then chop the stems. What are you talking
Chop
about?
these. So take them off this.
We got Tiki's fingers.
That's what I just said. Take the leaves off and chop the stems.
No, this is trash.
Oh, okay, I got you. So we're not even.
At least we got salty. You got her fingers with her pink fingers. And then I need to do my nails. Stop. We got her pink fingers. That need to be done.
She got me rushing because she said I'll take too
Move
long.
with haste. Y'all couldn't be on a cooking show. Y'all would be disqualified because you ran out of time.
We're
Because you're
not
taking
on
too
a
long.
cooking show though.
Too long to deep stem the swan show.
We're not in a rush. It's early.
Not in a rush, but move with haste. Please.
Who's this? What's the man's name? Hell's Kitchen.
Gordon Ramsay. I love
Yes,
him.
she is
I
Gordon
love him and I
Ramsay.
love that show. Actually, that's funny.
I respect him though.
Kylie, you're supposed to be here pulling these out. What is Kylie doing? Come
Nothing.
help pull these out. Leave this for Kylie.
No.
No, he can
honey.
put a lime or something.
I don't have olive oil. They usually take.
Aiden can peel the carrots for the other meal. Let's go, people. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do the other meal. We're ready. The
I love
other
it.
meal. Let's go.
The head chef
Come,
has
come, come, come.
spoken.
We're gonna prep these. Come, Kylan. Do you even know how to peel carrots?
Yes, Mom.
Come on, because we don't need to be here. We can while we're just waiting here.
It's not a dance party.
I mean, he doesn't know how to peel carrots.
Okay, so we need to show him. Okay, get a bowl. So get a bowl down here.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh yeah, we have mixing bowls.
Is it this one?
Dishes. Lots of dishes.
What do you need it for?
Yes, even Tiki's helping out off camera, of course.
And this is the final parada. Sweet chili beef and green bean bowl. I'm the one testing it. Let's see. I'm the tester. Oh wow, this is good.
Thanks, mother.
All right. Okay, let's switch gears. Okay.
Bro. That's good. Pretty good, isn't it?
They have this stuff now.
Quick break, let's go, let's go. Let's get this other thing on the road.
So Tiki's stipulations to cook was that we all had to be in the kitchen and then she would help.
That's not very nice.
I didn't get any of the food. Who's this?
Yeah.
Tiki needs the whole plate by herself.
And that's not true. Some. Then we're gonna put sour cream on top of the chicken.
This on both sides.
What is that?
Sour cream.
Put it back each side. Press down, make sure it's like fully coated.
There you go, Joy. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, we got another whole chicken to go here, so
Yeah.
I'm a little scared.
I know. Okay.
So the best part about cooking together is the memories we create. A little chaotic in here, but that's what makes it special.
Blue cheese helps it. Turn me off for it.
It's good?
That's great. That's delicious.
Ooh, everything's amazing.
I would get more blue cheese on there. For you. Okay.
Too late now.
What'd you say?
You put more blue cheese on it
Right here.
to balance off the spice.
Not bad.
Why don't you eat it with the mashed potatoes?
That's good.
All of the meals are good.
HelloFresh makes it so easy to bring everyone together.
It's flavorful. A little bit of spice in the back. Nothing too crazy.
I like the different flavors.
And there you have it. Dinner is served thanks to teamwork, a little chaos, and a lot of love. And this is why I like HelloFresh. There's no stress about grocery shopping or meal planning. You just open up the box and the fun begins. So if you've been thinking about trying HelloFresh, we highly recommend it for nights like this. It is amazing. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen. If you love cooking with your family, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more family fun. See you next time.